What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a fixed loop using an overhand knot on a bight. Let's go. The overhand knot starts by making a bight here with the rope. Then we're going to lead with that bight. We're going to cross over itself, down and through, just like this. Here we go. Now this makes a fixed loop. But what if you want to tie this loop not at the end, but right in the middle of your line? Well, in that case, this is what we're going to do. Say our line is tied on both ends, but we need a fixed loop in the middle. What we're going to do is we're going to make a bight, seeing that we have slack. Then we're going to take that bight and simply cross over, just like this. We're going to go down and through, and here we go. And then when we pull, we're going to make a fixed loop in the middle of our rope. Beware that it is inferior to the Alpine Butterfly for tying a loop in the middle of your rope. Just because of under a load, the tension might be a lot to get it undone. Another consideration to note is that the overhand loop on a bight is not actually the double figure 8 knot, which you'll see in a separate tutorial.